Hello viewers around the world, I welcome you to We4We TV. My name is Eberichi Okeke. I am the president and CEO of Amanda Ketishus, and I'm also a telecom network engineer. I am going to be your host for this weekly We4We TV program called the CEOs and Entrepreneurs Series. In this weekly program, we're going to be showcasing the best in the community. We're going to be showcasing diaspora-owned businesses and diaspora-operated businesses. This is to create and this is to encourage business owners and entrepreneurs to create a broader and a stronger business community, and also to encourage the young adults to get into businesses and to create more successful businesses. I promise for this series to be an exciting one, as I'm going to be bringing CEOs from our community to give inspirational words on how they started and how they grow their business. Stick with us. This is going to be an exciting program that we're going to be having weekly.